Good morning, and today we're going to have a look at Bidmas and how we make that work, or the rules we have to follow on Bidmas. So the first thing to remember is Bidmas is an acronym to help you remember the order of operations. So the first thing we need to do is remember what each letter stands for. So B stands for brackets, and we always do anything in brackets first. The I stands for indices. Now they are your little 2s and 3s, so your square numbers. So for example, 2 to the power of 2, this is your index here. Then here we have division and multiplication. Now they are done in the order that they appear in the sum. They don't have to be done division first, multiplication second. And then lastly, we have our addition and subtraction. And again, they are done in the order that they appear in the text, or in the sum. So let's go over and have a look at some examples here. So for question number 2 here, we have, these are the questions that are in section A. So we have 5 times 2 plus 6. So we have multiplication, so we do that first. So that becomes 10, and then we can add our 6. So we have 10 plus 6, so our answer would be 16. So looking at number 5, we have addition, we have indices, and we have multiplication. So going back to our Bidmas, we have no brackets, but we do have indices, so we need to solve this first. So 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Then we have no division, but we do have multiplication, so we would do 9 times 2 is 18. So these things here together become 18, and 6 plus 18 will give you 24. Okay, coming down to question 8 of section A again. We have brackets, so we will deal with the brackets first. So 17 take away 2 gives me 15, and then I need to divide by 3, and so my answer will be 5. We have multiplication, subtraction, multiplication, addition, multiplication. So we're going to solve all the multiplications first. So we have 7 times 6, which is 42, and we have 5 times 4, which is 20, and we have 1 times 3, that is 3. And I can now put back in my subtraction and my addition. So we do 42, take away 20, which would be 22, add 3 equals 25. Okay, now this is section B here. So in section B, you need to put in brackets to make the equation work. So currently what we have is 18 divided by 6, which would be 3, plus 3 would give us an answer of 6. So this isn't currently working, so we need to put some brackets in here. So I would bracket around the 6 plus 3, because under Bidmas that would have to be done second, whereas we need it to be done first. So here we have 6 plus 3 gives us 9, and 18 divided by 9 equals 2. Now down here you need to put in the signs and brackets to make this work. So we currently have 30, 2 and 3, and we're trying to get to 24. So somewhere along the line we need to subtract from 30. But at the moment, if I do 30, take away 2, I would get 28, and then take away 3, I would get 25. So I know that I'm taking away from 30 because the answer I'm getting is smaller than what I started with. So I'm going to put 2 and 3 in brackets. If I add them, it doesn't work. If I subtract them, it doesn't work. If I multiply them, 2 times 3 would be 6, and 30 take away 6 would be 24. So they're the steps that you need to do. There's plenty of questions on this on the accompanying worksheet here. They get gradually more difficult as they go down. To be honest with you, some of the ones near the bottom you don't need to worry about too much. Let's just have a quick look at those. Let me just change my share. Just move that out of the way. Share. So if we have a look here, some of these are quite tricky. So you don't have to do all of them, but have a go at them and see how you go. Once you get your rhythm on this, it's quite good fun. So I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much.